Replacing the expensive metals that break down exhaust gases in catalytic converters with cheaper, more effective materials is a top priority for scientists, for both economic and environmental reasons. Catalysts are required to perform chemical reactions that would otherwise not happen, such as converting polluting gases from automotive exhaust into clean compounds that can be released into the environment. To improve them, researchers need a deeper understanding of exactly how their catalysts work. Now a team at Stanford University and the Department of Energy's SLAC National Accelerator Laboratory has identified exactly which pairs of atoms in a nanoparticle of palladium and platinum, a combination commonly used in converters not are the most active in breaking those gases down. They also answered a question that has puzzled catalyst researchers: why do larger catalyst particles sometimes work better than smaller ones, when you'd expect the opposite? The answer has to do with the way the particles change shape during the course of reactions, creating more of those highly active sites. The results are an important step toward engineering catalysts for better performance in both industrial processes and emissions controls, said Matteo Cargnello, an assistant professor of chemical engineering at Stanford who led the research team. Their report was published June 17 in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. The most exciting result of this work was identifying where the catalytic reaction occurs, on which atomic sites you can perform this chemistry that takes a polluting gas and turns it into harmless water and carbon dioxide, which is incredibly important and incredibly difficult to do. Cargnello. Thanks for watching. Do you like my video? Then show me your love by pressing like button. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new technology updates. Bye bye.